Understanding Budget Allocation, a simple guide. Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, budget allocation. This is a common term used in business, finance, and everyday life, but it can be a bit tricky to understand if you're just learning English. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what budget allocation means and how it's used. So, let's get started. Before we jump into budget allocation, it's essential to understand what a budget is. A budget is a plan that outlines expected income and expenses over a certain period. It helps individuals or organizations manage their money effectively. Budgets are used to keep track of how much money is coming in, how much is going out, and where it's being spent. Now, let's break down the term budget allocation. Allocation simply means the act of distributing or assigning something. So, when we talk about budget allocation, we are referring to the process of distributing available funds to different categories or areas. This could be anything from allocating money for rent, food, and utilities in a personal budget, to a company allocating funds for different departments, projects, or activities. Budget allocation is crucial because it ensures that money is being used efficiently and effectively. It helps in 1. Prioritizing spending. By allocating funds to specific areas, individuals or organizations can prioritize their spending based on their needs and goals. 2. Avoiding overspending. It prevents spending more than what is available, thus avoiding debt. 3. Planning for the future. It allows for setting aside money for future projects or emergencies. To make things clearer, let's look at a couple of examples. 1. Personal budget allocation. Imagine you earn $3,000 a month. You might allocate $1,000 for rent, $500 for groceries, $300 for transportation, $200 for entertainment, and the rest for savings and other expenses. 2. Business budget allocation. A business might allocate funds differently, such as 40% for production costs, 25% for marketing, 20% for employee salaries, and 15% for research and development. And that's all on budget allocation. We hope this video has helped clarify what budget allocation means and why it's so important in both personal and business contexts. Remember, effective budget allocation is key to managing finances successfully. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.